Dear students, in the previous session we discussed the solutions of the quadratic equation. Just recall the general form of the quadratic equation. What is the general form of the quadratic equation? General form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, this is the general form of the quadratic equation. So, here the highest power is 2. If the highest power is 2, it has 2 roots. How to find the roots of the quadratic equation or how to solve the quadratic equation? There are 3 methods in that. The first one is the factorization method, solutions of the quadratic equation by factorization method, and the second one completing the square method, and the third one, very important one, that is the formula method. What is the formula to find the solution of a quadratic equation? The formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So, this is known as quadratic formula. By using this formula, we can find the roots of the quadratic equation. So, therefore, there are 3 methods: factorization method, completing the square method, and last one is the formula method. So, in this session also we are going to discuss about some more problems that is related to the formula method. Now, look at the first example. Find 2 consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose squares is 290. Understand the question clearly. Find 2 consecutive odd positive integers. What is the meaning consecutive? Consecutive means continuous. Find 2 consecutive odd positive integers, but the condition is given, sum of whose squares is 290. Consecutive odd positive integers. So, the odd integers plus or minus 1, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 7, so on. So, these are the odd integers. Odd integers. So, plus 1, plus 3, plus 5, and plus minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, so on. So, these are the odd positive integers. What about this one? Odd negative integers. I think it is clear. So, odd positive integers. So, this one odd negative integers. So, what is the condition? Find 2 consecutive odd positive. Consecutive means continuous. So, 1, 3, 5. So, these are the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. So, continuous. So, 2 consecutive odd positive integers. So, sum of whose squares is 290. So, suppose odd positive integers plus 1, plus 3, plus 5, so on. Let the first odd positive integer or the smaller odd positive integer, let it be x. Let it be x. What about the second one? So, 3. How to get the plus 3 or 3? By adding plus 2. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Plus 2. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Plus 2. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So, first smaller odd positive integer is x. How to get the succeeding term or the next term? So, by adding x plus 2. So, therefore, the first smaller odd positive integer is x and the another odd positive integer is x plus 2. So, these are the 2 numbers, x and x plus 2. So, find the 2 consecutive odd positive integers. So, let the smaller odd positive integer. So, the smaller odd positive integer, let it be x. What about the another odd positive integer? So, second one consecutive. Consecutive means continuous. So, second one is x plus 2. So, these are the 2 numbers. So, the first or the smaller odd positive integer is x and the another odd positive integer is x plus 2. So, what is the condition? Sum of whose squares is 290. Sum. So, the first one is x and the second one is x plus 2. sum of whose square, sum means in between plus sign, in between plus sign, sum of whose squares, so their square x square and x plus 2 whole square equal to 290. So these are the two numbers. So sum of whose squares, so x and x plus 2 their squares equal to 290. So now this is the required equation. Now solve this equation. So first convert it into the standard form of the quadratic equation. So what is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now convert it into the standard form. So x square plus x plus 2 whole square in the form of the identity a plus b whole square. So just recall the identity. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square means x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 2 plus b square means a 2 square equal to 290, or x square plus x square, that is 2x square plus 2 into 2 4x plus 2 square means 4 equal to 290. So standard form x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we have to transpose 290 to the left hand side. So 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 290 equal to 0. So next 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 290 means minus 286 equal to 0. So this is the standard form, 2x square plus 4x minus 286 equal to 0. Is there any common factor? 2x square, 4x and 286. 2 is the common factor. So divide throughout by the equation 2. So we get x square plus 2x by 2, 2x minus 283 divided by 2, 143 equal to 0. So this is the required equation, x square plus 2x minus 143 equal to 0. So this is in the form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now solve this equation, x square plus 2x minus 143 equal to 0. So we get the roots of this equation. So that is the answer. How to solve this equation? There are three methods, either factorization method or complete square method, and third one is the formula method. Which one is simple? You may use that method. So x square plus 2x minus 143 equal to 0. Solve this equation by formula method. So x square plus 2x minus 143 equal to 0. So solve this equation by the formula method. So the value of a equal to 1, and b equal to 2, and c equal to minus 143. So what is the formula? Formula x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the quadratic formula. Now substitute the values. Minus b value 2 plus or minus square root of b square is a 2 square minus 4 into a 1 into c minus 143. So divided by 2 into value of a is 1. Now simplify, equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square means 4 minus into minus plus. So 4 into 1 4 into 143, that is 572 divided by 2. Now simplify, equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 572 plus 4, that is 576 divided by 2, or x equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 576. So remember, 576 is a perfect square number. So what is the square root of 576? Square root of 576 is 24 divided by 2. So this is the x. Minus 2 plus or minus 24 divided by 2. Now find the value of x. So how to find the value of x? So x equal to minus 2 plus 24 divided by 2, and x equal to minus 2 minus 24 divided by 2. So find the roots. So x equal to minus 2 plus 24 that is 22 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 11s. So therefore x equal to 11. X equal to 11. And one more, x equal to minus 2 minus 24 minus 26 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 13s are. So therefore x equal to minus 13. So x equal to 11 and x equal to minus 3 are the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 143 equal to 0. What is the question given? So find the two consecutive odd positive integers. Sum of whose squares is 290. Sum of the odd positive integer. Is it possible the x value is minus 13? So this is the negative odd integer. So x value is always positive. So therefore smaller odd positive integer. So therefore smaller odd positive integer equal to x equal to, that is 11, not minus 13. Why? It is always positive. So the question in the question given odd positive integer. So that's why x equal to 11. And the another number or the another integer. So another integer, positive integer. So the second number is x plus 2. So therefore x plus 2, what is the value of x? X is 11. 11 plus 2 equal to 13. So therefore the two consecutive odd positive integer, two consecutive continuous 11 and 13. 11 and 13 are the two numbers. So these are the two numbers 11 and 13. Now check whether the answer is correct or wrong. So the question, find the two consecutive odd positive integer, sum of whose squares. So 11 square. So verification, 11 square is 11 square, sum of whose squares, and 13 square. So 11 square is 121 plus 13 square is 169. Now add 121 plus 169, that is 290. So here also sum of whose squares is 290. So therefore the answer is correct. So go through the next example. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist using the quadratic formula. What is the meaning? Find the roots of the following quadratic equation. We have to find the roots. But the condition is there. If they exist, suppose these equations have the real roots, then find the roots of the quadratic equation by quadratic formula. You know the quadratic formula. How to check the given equation have the roots, real roots or not? There is one condition. First find the value of b square minus 4ac, or one more method, by using the quadratic formula we can find the roots of the quadratic equation. So first by formula method. So here a equal to 3 and b equal to minus 5 and c equal to 2. So what is the quadratic formula? Quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now substitute the values. So minus b, minus of minus 5 plus or minus square root of b square. B square means minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a, 3 into c, that is 2 divided by 2 into 3. Now simplify, equal to minus into minus, that is plus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 whole square, that is 25, minus 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24 divided by 2 into 3, that is 6. So which is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 24, 1 divided by 6, equal to 5 plus or minus. So what is the square root of 1? Square root of 1 is 1. 1 divided by 6. So this is the value of x. So what are the roots of the equation? So x equal to 5 plus 1 by 6 and x equal to 5 minus 1 by 6. So equal to 5 plus 1, 6 by 6, 6 ones are. So therefore x equal to 1. x equal to 1. What about the second one? Minus 5 minus 1, that is 4 by 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So which is equal to 2 by 3. So these are the roots of the quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So the roots are x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 by 3. So this is the one method. Now one more method. So what is the question? Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist using the quadratic formula, or we can solve this formula by first find the value of the b square minus 4ac. Value of the b square minus 4ac. So the given equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. First write the values of a, b, c. So a value, a equal to 3 and b equal to minus 5 and c equal to 2. First find the value of b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac. Now substitute the values. B square, b value minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a value 3 into c value 2 equal to. So minus 5 whole square, what is the meaning? Minus 5 whole square means minus 5 into minus 5, that is 25, minus 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24. What is the value? 25 minus 24 equal to 1. So this is the value of the b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is 1. Remember, suppose value of b square minus 4ac equal to 0, it has two equal roots. So this is the condition. And one more condition, suppose the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it has two distinct roots. Distinct means different. And the third condition, suppose the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real roots. So these are the conditions. So what are the conditions? First one, b square minus 4, value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac equal to 0, two real roots. And the second condition, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So here greater than 0, it has two distinct roots. So x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 by 3. So distinct means different roots. And the third condition, b square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real roots. So what about here? b square minus 4ac equal to 1. So the second condition, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So therefore it has two distinct roots. So what is the question? Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist using the quadratic formula. Now what is the quadratic formula? So quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. By using this formula, so we can solve the equation or find the quadratic roots of the quadratic equation. So here b square minus 4ac value is 1, so greater than 0. So it has two distinct roots. Now find the roots by quadratic formula. So what is the formula? X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now substitute the values. So minus b means minus into minus 5 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Square root of b square minus 4ac. What is the value? So b square minus 4ac is 1. Directly substitute the value of b square minus 4ac, so equal to 1 divided by 2a. 2 into value of a is 3. So equal to minus into minus plus. So 5 plus or minus, what is the square root of 1? Square root of 1 is 1 divided by 2 into 3, 6. So this is the value of x. So x equal to 5 plus or minus 1 divided by 6. Now find the roots. So x equal to 5 plus 1 divided by 6 and x equal to 5 minus 1 divided by 6. So equal to 5 plus 1, 6 by 6, 6 ones are, so therefore x equal to 1. X equal to 1. What about the second one? 5 minus 4, 1, that is 4 divided by 6. 2 2s are, 2 3s are. So x equal to 2 by 3. x equal to 2 by 3. So just compare the answer, x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 by 3. So by formula method. So here first find the value of b square minus 4ac, then we calculate the roots of the quadratic equation. So roots of the quadratic equation, x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 by 3. Just remember once again, the value of the b square minus 4ac equal to 0, it has two equal roots. Then the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, two distinct roots. And the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real roots. Second question, x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. What is the question? Find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist using the quadratic formula. So here first write the given equation in the standard form. So standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here value of a equal to 1 and b equal to 4 and c equal to 5. First find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. So b square means 4 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c value 5. So 4 square is 16 minus 4 into 5, that is 20, equal to 16 minus 20, answer is minus 4. So which is less than 0. Minus 4 is less than 0. What is the condition? Minus 4 is less than 0. Suppose the value of b square minus 4ac equal to 0, two equal real roots. Suppose the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, two distinct real roots. What about the third one? B square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real roots. Therefore, it has no real roots. No real roots. Now verify whether the answer is correct or wrong. So given equation, x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. So a equal to 1, b equal to 4 and c equal to 5. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by the formula method. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what is the value of b? b is minus 4 plus or minus square root of b square. b square means 4 square, 4 into a value 1 into c value 5. So divided by 2 into value of a is 1. So which is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 20 divided by 2 equal to minus 4 plus or minus 16 minus 20 is minus 4 divided by 2. So which is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4. Minus 4 means square root of 4, we can write it as minus 1 into 4 divided by 2 or equal to minus 4 plus or minus 4 square root of 2 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So here 2 is the common, so 2 take outside, minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So 2 to cancel, equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 1. So therefore the roots are x equal to minus 2 plus root of minus 1 and x equal to minus 2 minus root of minus 1. So therefore it has no real roots. So here also, suppose the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real roots. So here roots are minus 2 and plus or minus root of minus 1, no real roots. So next question, 2x square minus 2 into root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is the value of a? A equal to 2, b equal to minus 2 root 2 and c equal to 1. First find the value of b square minus 4ac. So b square means minus 2 root 2 whole square minus 4 into a value 2 into c value 1. So minus 2 root 2 whole square, minus into minus, that is plus 2 square means 4 into root 2 whole square. What is the meaning? Root 2 whole square. Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2, root 4. 4 square root 2, that is 2. Minus 4 into 2, 8. So 4 into 2, 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac value 0. Suppose the value of b square minus 4ac equal to 0, it has 2 equal roots. Therefore, it has 2 equal roots. Next, if they exist, using the quadratic formula, find the roots. So what is the formula? X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now substitute the values. So minus b means minus of minus 2 root 2 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. So what is the value of b square minus 4ac? So b square minus 4ac value 0. So you substitute the value of b square minus 4ac 0 divided by 2 into a value also 2. Now simplify, minus of minus plus 2 root 2 plus or minus, what is the square root of 0? Square root of 0 is 0. So divided by 2 into 2, 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So equal to x equal to root 2 divided by 2. Root 2 divided by 2. Now rationalize the numerator. So x equal to root 2 divided by 2. Multiply the RF means a rationalizing factor of numerator. What is the rationalizing factor of numerator? Root 2. So their RF is root 2 itself. So root 2 divided by root 2. You already studied in 9th standard. So equal to root 2 into root 2, that is root 4 divided by 2 into root 2, or 4 square root, that is 2 divided by 2 root 2, 2 to cancel, equal to 1 by root 2. So therefore the roots are x equal to 1 by root 2 and x equal to 1 by root 2. So these are the roots of the quadratic equation. So students, practice this type of the problems, solutions of the quadratic equation by the formula method. So this one is very important for the examination point of view, and we will continue in the next class. Thank you one and all.